Okay guys, we're all done with the installation of these hood latches. Major pain in the ass, you know what I'm saying? You have to loosen these bolts a little bit to help it align, and they're kind of loose right now, these two, to help it align. These two right here, these are snug now. You got to get this dimension right. Don't put it too tight. These little plastic things right here, they do come off sometimes, so you have to be on your A game with those. That one right there, I was able to put it on that side, but this side I had to well, that side I had to route the bottom hole so I could lift this piece up, and this side I had to route these two holes so I could twist it this way. So you know, everything works, everything's fine. You just got to watch out for these plastic. They give you 2 extras. I know why, because you can lose them. You know, sometimes when you open that thing can fly off. So now that you have that plastic there, be aware of that. These I'll throw in my glove box, so I know I have to. They do kind of lock the mechanism down. You know, I don't know if you really, you should have them, but you can get by without them, but it's better to have them for sure. But anyways, you know, I needed, like I told you in the earlier video, I had to file this on both sides to slip this in. This particular hole was good, but the other side I had to route it on the top to slide it up. You know, so it's a bit of a chore to do this. You know, you might get lucky and be able to do it and just bolt them on like they show in the video, but not 99 times out of 100 you're gonna have to do something, you know, because this hood can be shifted one way or another. You know, maybe a fender's a slightly lower. You know, these are custom fenders, so that's why I had a little bit of a problem for sure. You know, maybe if you have your stock fenders, they might go on a lot easier. Would I do it again? I just came fresh off of swearing some serious shit, so I'm gonna hold off on that till tomorrow. But I'm gonna tell you, they do look good, and that red offset looks good, and they're not going anywhere. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna hold the hood down for sure. So, and I couldn't do it without my monster Tango. But anyways, everything's all snug. You can see this dimension right here is bigger than the amount of thread that you can see as compared with this side. So you can see that sometimes you have to tweak it, you know what I'm saying? But right now, and when you put these on, you don't want them to be super tight, because you just don't want them, you know. You want them to be tight but not super tight. So a little bit of play, you know, is good, but not too much. In any case, they're on. They look terrific. And this particular set I got them on Amazon for about 29 bucks and free delivery. And these can go as high as $110. Now, if you pay $110 for them, you're a fool. But there are some stores that sell these things for $110. And they also make locking ones, but the lockers did not look as good as these ones. And you know, if you wanted to, you know, I'm just trying to look. If you wanted to, you could do some type of lock on there too. You'd have to do it yourself. You'd have to drill a hole yourself and stuff. But I'm not worried about it right now. But in any case, we're all done with this video. This is a 2016 Wrangler Sahara Unlimited, and we just put on brand new metal hood latches. I might add, they are probably 2 or 3 times as much or heavier than the rubber ones that I took off. but I had to replace the rubber ones because I did break one. So, and the rubber ones will deteriorate over time, and you will have to replace them. You know, I'm sure it'll take some time, but in any case, we're good to go.